Hey everyone, I want to take you behind the scenes for I built Vaani, a voice-enabled rec portal for the Goa residency task. First, the biggest blocker was memory. I started by using PyTorch-based neural embedding system, but deploying to renders free tier through instant out of memory crashes due to the 512 memory limit, RAM limit, sorry. To solve this without compromising search quality, I designed a custom zero ramp Blake to be hashing embedder. If hashes text, it hashes text chunks into smaller spaces 384 dimension vector, meaning I could index over 1 lakh document splits into Qudrant Cloud in under 3 minutes with absolute zero RAM overhead. Second, second was the RAM rag orchestration. Instead of knife splits, I built a chunker that handles the five strategies in parallel, including paragraph, sliding window, and symmetric boundary detection. I then wrapped the model in a strict pipeline, parallel including harness with automated retries, timeouts, and guardian to check for the hallucination and reject off-topic questions. Third, finally, I found course configuration and styling. After debugging pre-flight headers for production client fetches, I hand-coded a three-column studio dashboard workspace using HHGoa's editorial palette and typography. The result? A secure zero-leak pipeline with a vector retrieval resolving in under 30 milliseconds.